Assembling a base cabinet. Before you start assembly, collect all of the required parts for your goFlatpacks product. Remember to look at the labels on the parts to help you determine which ones you need. The first part you'll be working with is the bottom of the base cabinet. You can identify this by the adjustable feet holes that are pre-drilled on the bottom, as well as the name on the label. Set your base bottom with the adjustable feet holes facing up. Take one of the plates of your adjustable feet and place it in the pre-drilled holes. Make special note to place the 45-degree edges facing towards the side of the panel. This helps with support when your side panels run past the edge of your base panel. Using a mallet, hammer in the 4 posts of the adjustable feet into the base. Set aside your base bottom and select your base back panel. Using the supplied knock-in cabinet connectors, gently tap into the pre-drilled holes using a mallet. Set aside your base back panel and grab again your base bottom. We're now going to start assembling the cabinet carcass. Starting with the base right side, glue along the bottom edge where you'll be screwing. Next, lift both the bottom and right side panel upwards to create an L shape. Once you've checked all your edges are square, insert your screws down the bottom of the right side panel. Move your L-shaped carcass to the side and pick up your left side panel. Now repeat the process of gluing and screwing the same as for the right side panel. Flip your cabinet carcass over so it's now face down, leaving the bare edges of the sides and bottom panels facing up. Apply your glue along the edging and then place the base back panel over the top. As you'll see, the cabinet connectors will be on the inside of the cabinet and at the top. Square your back panel off by screwing down one side of the back, then down the adjacent bottom side. Your cabinet back will now be square. Finish by screwing down the remaining side. Lastly, you need to apply your top rail. Apply glue to each end of the rail and place inside the top front of the cabinet in line with the screw holes. It is easiest to do this while the cabinet is on one side so the rail doesn't move around. You'll need to drill pilot holes into your rail to avoid splitting the wood as the screw is inserted. Screw in your top rail from both sides to finish off. Congratulations! You have finished assembling your goFlatpacks base cabinet carcass.